morning, welcome to MarineMax Sarasota. My name is Adam Morris and today we're going to take a look at the 2018 Sea Ray L550 Flybridge. We're going to start with the swim platform, which is what we're standing on. This is a hydraulic swim platform, great for a tender, just for swimming, diving. This goes underwater with steps leading underwater. We have a nice lazarette, great storage, fenders, lines, life jackets, everything stowed right on the platform, very easily accessible. Let's make our way to the cockpit, which we've optioned with teak. We have the light exterior cushions, like a taupe color, with a very nice cockpit table. Ice maker back here, and a stereo remote control. And for easy docking, we have a joystick port here for backing up into a slip. We have great access, great view. Let's make our way into the salon. This is the walnut flooring. We have our wine chiller, stacked fridge freezers in the galley, Kenyan stovetop, nice concealed microwave, convection oven, bottle storage, really nice china setting here, great storage. You've got your glasses, coffee mugs, wine glasses, plates, concealed TV, flat screen. This does pivot so you can see out into the cockpit or towards the helm area in the salon. This does conceal, just a push of a button. This will retract, completely concealed. A couple nice bar stools here. Nice in-kitchen dining. Let's step on up. Great helm area, 2 stid seats, very comfortable. Joystick docking. This boat is equipped with Caterpillar 1000s. This is the engine upgrade. It does have the generator upgrade and the gyro. So this boat is fully equipped, extended range fuel tanks, ready to go, anywhere you want to go. We have the upgraded Raymarines. This are the GS165s. We've got 2. We have built-in autopilot. We have the depth finder, VHF radio. New Raymarines. You can control the climate, the lights, everywhere on the whole boat, right from the Raymarines. All right, so let's head down. We're going to start with the master bedroom first. Very spacious, lots of headroom. We went ahead with the storage drawers in lieu of the seating. Just set up for cruising, really. Lots of storage. We did equip with the master stateroom refrigerator, a couple of waters. Nice so you don't have to go up to the galley in the middle of the night. Do have right behind you, we're going to look at the entertainment center. We have a flat screen and a Bose stereo system. Washer dryer combo right here in the master. So, very nice. Great use of space. We'll check out the master stateroom head to your left. Very nice tile work, beautiful bathroom. Make our way to the VIP. Again, lots of room, very comfortable. Bed's nice and low. We do have stairs on the way up, port and starboard side. And we're gonna step to the third stateroom where we have 2 nice bunks. So 3 staterooms, 2 heads. I'm gonna show you the second head, which is right behind you. Why don't you walk through? Here we go. Again, nicely appointed. Alright, we're going to take a quick look at the flybridge of the L550. We have a retractable sunshade right above you. That's going to be really nice for your guests that are sitting here. Just kind of extended back, no matter what part of the day they're going to be in the shade. We have a polished teak table. Again, with the lighter interior, it's very nice being up here. It's going to be warm during the day. These seats are going to stay nice and cool. So you have a seat that slides back. Make a very nice social seating area. If you have guests wanting to cruise with you, be up front. Slide it back. You very nice seating area facing forward with a great view. Sunroof, this is retractable, so you can close this if you want a bit of shade. And again, fully optioned captain's helm. The upgraded Raymarines GS 165s dual. We didn't skimp on the top deck. We have gyro controls up here with the joystick, bow and stern thruster. Again with the 1000 Caterpillars. And that's all it. We got a nice sun pad here in the front. And you know what, let's take a step up and look at the bow seating area. Rather than sun pads, we have a beautiful seating area in the front. Nice couch, flip up backrest. You can easily sit 6 people right on the bow of the boat. So thank you again. My name's Adam Morse, MarineMax Sarasota, and this was the 2018 Sea Ray L550 Fly.